Welcome to the Applied Planning and Scheduling course. Click on the Start button to begin your learning journey. Before we get started, let's take a moment to familiarize ourselves with the navigational options available during this learning program. You can click on the X in the top right corner to exit the course. Above the X, you will see a Resources button. Click here to find any additional material relating to the course. If you look along the bottom, you will see the play bar, which will show you how far through each slide you are. On the bottom right, you will see the navigational buttons for moving backwards and forwards through the course. Keep an eye out for your instructions at the bottom of the screen. You will be required to do some on-screen activities during the program. So who is this course for, you might ask? This course is aimed at individuals who possess some planning and scheduling experience, and is designed to hone existing skills through application underpinned by best practice principles and lessons learned. The course assumes that the course participants are proficient in the use of Microsoft Project. The objective of this course is to enable the course participant to, through sound planning and scheduling logic and practices, integrate relevant project considerations and information into a comprehensive, best practice-aligned project schedule, and to manage the schedule effectively in support of optimal project delivery. The terms planning and scheduling are closely related. Planning, in the context of this course, is a broad term meant to include a multitude of variables that must be considered in setting up a project towards execution, and ensuring it remains on track during execution, so that the project achieves its objectives. These variables include project scope, resources, quality, risk, and many more. Planning focuses on how to optimally integrate all these variables in a project. Crucially, planning requires a proper understanding of what the project at hand is about. For example, planning a construction project will require a grasp of the idiosyncrasies associated with construction work, which are bound to be somewhat different from those associated with an information technology project. The term planning is, however, a bit of a misnomer because it also covers tracking, that is, measuring progress against the plan so that appropriate interventions can be made. The scenario for the AP&S course is a simple residential construction project. Please note that this is simply to provide practical context and that this is not a course in construction. A total of 7 assignments will be performed, each of which covers a further step in the planning and scheduling of the residential construction project towards the eventual completion of the project. Additional information to the residential construction scenario is provided with each assignment. Assignments are individual, not group efforts. Effectively, every course participant will be compiling a portfolio of evidence consisting of the assignment submissions over the duration of the course. Provision is made in the flow of the course for refinements to assignments, primarily through instructor feedback. The portfolio of evidence will serve as proof of competence. To be eligible for a certificate of competence, all assignments must be submitted within the allotted time frame. Please note that the course instructor will provide feedback on each assignment, which can be used for refinement purposes. The pass mark for each assignment is 50%. In addition, at least 4 out of 8 virtual classes must be attended. The following information supports the course. First, you have e-learning modules on topics that have a close relationship with planning and scheduling. These modules cover the information relevant to the course step by step. Secondly, a course workbook. Thirdly, a few demonstration videos. And then fourthly, a few templates. Next, we'll take a look at the course program. This course stretches over 8 weeks as follows. Week 1. Access to the course and to the overview information of the course, as well as access to Week 1's topic. Developing the work breakdown structure, often abbreviated as WBS. Week 2. Developing the schedule. Week 3. logging schedule logic and developing a cash flow. Week 4, planning to measure progress. Week 5, project progress reporting. Week 6, performing change control. Week 7, project closure and lessons learned. There will also be a virtual contact session via Zoom on week 8 to wrap up the course. Click on each of the course buttons to see more of what will be covered. When you're ready to get started, click on the next button to start Module 1.